Hello guys, check out this Spigen Classic C1 MagFit case exclusively designed for iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. This case brings back the retro iMac G3 theme vibes. Spigen did a similar cool iMac inspired case for the iPhone 10 5 years ago. Spigen is a trusted brand for top-notch protective cases for many years. Spigen is back with the classic C1 MagFit cases now available in 3 stylish colors: Bondi Blue, Graphite and Ruby. Spigen's classic C1 MagFit case has a short foam pattern inside to keep your phone safe from scratches. The power button feels great and the volume buttons are tactile. Pressing the action button is easy, no more issues. Spigen's strong protection makes it a winner in phone drop tests. Spigen is always reliable. While the case is not bulky, your phone feels pleasantly slim and lightweight in your hand. There is some camera protection and the raised bezels on the sides are great. If your phone ever drops, it won't land directly flat on the glass. These cases also come with military drop rate protection, offering extra benefits for us. On the back of the phone, you see the logo easily. This case is unique, it fits the phone perfectly. It's not easy to pull the phone out from the case, you need to use some force. You can easily do wireless charging on it and the magnet is pretty strong here. Apple customers often consider cover weight before buying and this option is great for them. It easily fits with a good grip, not slippery. Priced at $60. That's all for this case. Stay with us for more product reviews. Thank you.